Hello students of standard 6. Today we are going to learn chapter 14, Tom and Becky make up part 1. Now we learned that Tom and Becky have broken up their relationship. Tom teases Becky while talking Amy Lawrence. And Becky teases Tom while talking Alfred Temple. So both are equally good to tease each other, and they quarreled and they were separated. Now it says this chapter that they are going to make up their relationship. They are coming together. How it had happened? We had seen in the previous class that Becky was so angry and she seen the book of his teacher. Sorry, not his teacher, but she opened the drawer of the teacher and took the book. And she was reading. Meanwhile, she saw Tom has come standing there. Suddenly, she opened the drawer and kept. One page was torn. Now, what happens when the teacher came to the class and opened the drawer and he saw his book was torn? He called everybody. And Becky was so much shivering. When Tom saw that Becky was in a trouble, so he said, "Sir, I have taken that book and because of that, it is torn from my hand." The teacher called him and gave nice beat, so terribly beat, but he did not show anything. He just looked at Becky and he got the beat and punishment. He was asked to remain after class for 2 hours. And then Becky feels very sorry that she was behind Tom to give him trouble, but Tom has saved him. Let us see in the book. A weight was lifted off Tom's chest after his talk with his aunt. He went back to school. Feeling quite light-hearted, he talked to his aunt and told that he loved his aunt and believed, and everything was cleared, the problems, and aunt was happy and Tom was happy. On the way, he met Becky, wanting to make up with her. Tom said, "Becky, I am sorry about this morning. I hope you are not angry with me." So after making up with Aunt Polly, he came to school with the light-hearted, very happy, and he saw Becky. So he told Becky, "I'm sorry whatever happened morning for that," and he told that we shall make up our relationship once again. But Becky looked at him coldly. Becky had no difference in her. She looked very coldly. "Don't talk to me, Thomas Sawyer." Now she said full name. Usually she says Tom. But today, because of the anger, she said, "Tom Sawyer, don't talk to me." She said, "I am never going to speak to you again." This made Tom very angry. Now she said, "I will never talk to you." And because of that, Tom was again angry. He answered her rudely. Becky paid no attention to him. She said to herself, "Just you wait till the spelling lesson, Tom Sawyer. When Mr. Robin sees your book, he will surely give you a good beating." So Becky knew that Alfred has put ink on his spelling copy, and Mr. Dobin will come and beat him nicely. So he's telling in her mind, wait Tom, you will see in the period of the spelling only. What Becky did not know, she herself was going to get into trouble. Mr. Dobbin always kept a book in his desk. When the class was at work, he would take the book and study it. Nobody in the class knew what the book was, but everyone was keen to know. Mr. Dobbins always locked his desk so no one ever got to see the book. But that afternoon, when Becky was passing the desk, she saw Mr. Dobbins had left the key in the lock. She was alone in the classroom. This was her chance. She quickly opened the desk and took out the book. It was titled Modern Medicine, and Becky was looking at it when someone entered in the class. So here he is telling that Becky was very happy that Tom is going to be into trouble. But she did not know that she is going to be into trouble herself. Mr. Dobbin, the teacher, who was their class subject teacher, and whenever he teach after the class, give the children some work to do. When the whole class was at work, he used to read a book and everybody was interested to know what book it is. But always the drawer he used to lock it so nobody could know. So Becky one day she came afternoon and she saw the key was hanging at the lock. So she opened, she took the book and book was written Modern Medicine. And she started to read while she heard somebody has entered in the class. Becky looked up and there stood Tom Sawyer. Becky closed the book in such a hurry that she tore a page and straight away she began to cry for fear and shame and anger herself. Most of all, she was upset because Tom had seen everything. You will tell Mr. Dobbins, she screamed at Tom. I know you will, and he will punish me. Oh, I hate you, Tom Sawyer, I hate you. And Becky dashed out of the classroom, hardly knowing where she was going. Now she saw Tom, she got more angry. And Tom did not say a word, but she herself started to shout at Tom. Tom, I hate you. Tom, I don't like you. I know you are going to tell Mr. Dobbin and Dobbin will beat me, punish me, but you are so bad. I hate you. I don't like you at all. And with the anger, she got out from the class. She do not know where she is going. She only knew that she is angry, she is upset, and bitterly she cried. Dear children, we should learn the situation. Look at the person, what is his action or reaction. The other one, what want to say. And talk to it. She could have told very politely, Tom, don't tell anyone this happened. Was something she could tell. But no, she started to fire at him. It's not true. It is not right to do these kinds of things. We have to have little patience and care. She did mistake everybody does. That's not something very special. It is everybody do the mistake. But we have to adjust with our our mistake. We have to learn to adjust with the people and be polite in our behavior. Okay, children? Thank you.